Hi there. Ever see a recipe online and wish you could watch someone who isn't good at cooking try it for the first time? Welcome to the Noob Gourmet Test Kitchen. This episode, I'm making Jake Cohen's Lemony sheet pan chicken with crispy chickpeas and kale from his new cookbook, Jew-ish. That title is a mouthful, so let's see if the food is.
Alright, so we've got the chickpeas, we've got the preserved lemon, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of Aleppo pepper, which is a combination of paprika and cayenne. We've got 3 tablespoons, or 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt. Now we got the chicken. Alright, now we're going to massage our kale with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a healthy pinch of salt. And this will get roasted with the chicken. Alright, we've had our chicken marinating for 5-ish hours. Now we're going to put it in a sheet pan. Skin side up with all the chickpeas. We're going to try to not get stuck underneath the chicken. We're going to bake this for 30 minutes at 450 degrees. Try to get these distributed out so the chickpeas all cook. And we're also going to do a pinch more salt. Alright, well, we burnt some of the...
There it is, Lemony sheet pan chicken with crispy chickpeas and kale. The chickpeas got a little bit too crispy, as you saw in the video. I don't know if it's because they were too dry or my oven is too hot, but some of them were edible. The chicken was cooked nicely and was juicy and tender. The lemon didn't really come through, but the kale was nice and crispy and gave the dish texture. Overall, the recipe was simple, didn't need a bunch of pans, and was easy to follow. Would I make it again? I think I'd make a version of this, maybe without the lemon, and with some more seasoning and fluid in the pan to keep the chickpeas from drying out. Thank you, Jake Cohen, for teaching me about making chicken in a sheet pan, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.